Hey friends, it's Adam again. Actually, it's Adam for the first time. This is my first, kind of blog, vlog, whatever you want to call it, all about, so I'm a guy who travels a lot, and, I enjoy nice things, but I don't like spending, a ton of money on them, right? And I honestly believe that you can have a really, really nice lifestyle without breaking the bank. And so that's what this whole vlog channel, whatever, is gonna be all about, right? So this is my first actual episode. I'm really excited, and I wanted to talk to you guys about my experience at the Bahia Mar in Fort Lauderdale. So I was in Miami for a conference for a couple days, and I was staying at the Lowe's, which was actually great, but I forgot to do a review, and I forgot to start this whole thing, but I'm like, you know what? I've got some time now, so let's do it. So this is actually my first video, right? And by the way, even if it's not my first video, you will never hear me say, "Hey guys, welcome back to my channel." I can't stand when people say that on their vlogs. And he was like, they know they're on your channel. Anyways, I wanted to share my experience at the Bahia Mar in Fort Lauderdale as my first video. I'm a Hilton Honors member. You're going to hear me talk a lot about that in future videos. So I chose to stay here because I got it for a really good rate. I'll post it below, the exact rate, but I believe it was $140 some a night US, which, for an ocean view room in Fort Lauderdale, I thought was pretty reasonable. I would say this hotel is a solid 3.5. I don't know if I would say it's probably approaching a 4, but there's a few little things I'll show you in my room tour in just a sec that I think keep it from being a true 4-star. But overall, good service, great location. I love my view, so I'll show that to you guys as well. And, because I am a gold member, I got a really nice continental breakfast both days of my stay, so super, super happy with that. Yeah, I have nothing bad to say. I mean, one thing I learn about me in these blogs is, I'm all about enjoying nice things and really having luxurious experiences, but I don't think you need to break the bank to do that. And so whether I'm talking to you about skincare or travel or just, an opinion I have on something or shopping or fitness and am I trying to get healthy, by the way, this round-ass moon face, this is probably the largest you're going to see me. I've already lost 20 pounds in the last year, and I keep getting better and better every week. So you'll see some vlogs about that. But anyways, I don't want to keep on blabbing here. It's my first video. I want to keep it short and sweet. So I'm going to show you first my room tour, and then I'm going to show you a snapshot of my continental breakfast, and then I'll come on back. So check it out. Hey friends, so here is a little tour of my room at the Bahia Mar. So you come in, hey, you've got obviously your mirror here, which is, a pretty good size. There's no lighting above it though. That kind of annoys me because I like to, sometimes have a bit of a better lighting set up at night. Then you've got, your TV here. Sorry, my room's a bit messy. You've got plenty of storage areas down here. I'll show you. They're actually pretty ample inside, so that is phenomenal. Over here, we've got the desk. Again, a little messy. As I showed you guys, or I'm about to show you in what order I'm going to put this in, you've got a fabulous beach view. And then they were sold out of king rooms, so I took 2 double queens, but that's fine. The beds are pretty comfy, so that's good. And then you have the bathroom here, which, not bad. It's a very, I call this like a very DoubleTree bathroom. I feel like it's pretty standard fare. So this is interesting. In this hotel, or at least this room, my closet is in the bathroom area. And I actually kind of like that. I think it's convenient. I've just never seen that at any hotel I've been to before personally. And I feel like, honestly, when they redid these rooms, where the F is the light, there it is. I feel like when they redid these rooms, they kind of just, said screw it and called it a day on the, the water closet and the bathtub. Yeah, and then so there is a rainfall shower head, which has really good pressure, so that's awesome. But, yeah, it's a very standard tub. They didn't put a soaker tub in or anything like that, which would have been nice. But, again, overall, I can't complain. So there is your little room tour. So this is the continental breakfast setup at the Bahia Mar. Oh, no, I'm fine, thank you. I hope you guys found that entertaining, helpful, informative. I am so new to this YouTube thing. I am not a video editor. I am not doing this to make money. This is just a little fun passion project of mine. Tell me what you liked about this video. Tell me what you'd want to see more of. like I said, you're going to see a lot of stuff on this channel. You're going to see skincare. You're going to see travel. You're going to see, you know, how I save money on nice things. You're going to see dining out. You're going to see all kinds of fun stuff. So whatever you want to see, whatever you liked, whatever you didn't. And yes, I know I talk quickly. It's kind of my thing. So we'll have to adapt that together. But honestly, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much.